Welcome. If you're tired of random Snapchat alerts buzzing your phone for things you don't really care about, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show how to mute those miscellaneous notifications on Snapchat using your Android device, so you can keep your focus and only get the alerts that actually matter. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is the main control center for everything on your device, and it's where we'll manage how Snapchat behaves in the background. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications or something similar. From here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app's settings page where you can control permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly what kind of alerts Snapchat is allowed to send you. After that, look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications like messages, stories, and other activity. Scroll through the list until you find Miscellaneous, then tap on it. These are usually the less important alerts that tend to clutter your notification panel. Finally, select Silent. This will stop those miscellaneous notifications from making sounds or popping up in a disruptive way.